Hi, I am Luke from Baby Toys. Today we are going to explore one of the best toy which will entertain your loved ones. Get set for supersonic fun with the LEGO Creator 3-in-1 Futuristic Flyer. Featuring an awesome dark red and white color scheme. Forward swept wings, tinted cockpit, fixed landing gear and a flaming jet engine. With this LEGO Creator 3-in-1 set, you get 3 different build and play experiences. Build the Futuristic Flyer and then rebuild it into a Futuristic Spaceship toy or a Futuristic LEGO Robot with wings and backpack for more science fiction fun. Enjoy 3 building opportunities with this LEGO Creator 3-in-1 set. Build the Futuristic Flyer, then rebuild and head into space with a Futuristic Spaceship or enjoy science fiction adventures with a flying Futuristic Robot. Alright guys, that is all for this video. Hope you guys liked the video. If you guys did, please go ahead and give it a like. If you're new to the channel and you like the video, consider subscribing. We do our best to keep you up to date with the best products on the market right now.